Boom! Good morning, my fans all over the world. This is Shedivi Blog. Just like you know how we do it, it's football roundup. It's football roundup of the week. I've come to ask myself, why should we be going all around the internet to get all the football latest news when I'm here, when I can just help you to go through the whole internet and gather all the football news, all the football latest feature, the scores and the results, the table, and bombard you. Let me do that for you guys. This is Shedivi Blog. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can hear the latest news of football. You don't have to go through internet. You don't have to waste your data. All you have to do is just tune into my channel, go to my channel, all the football latest news, all the pros and cons, everything that went around during the weekend. I will bombard you with everything. You get all the news, all the standings, the fixtures, and into the first league of today. Just like you know, it's English Premier League. I don't know why. I like starting with English Premier League because to some and to me, I still consider it as one of the most exciting league in the whole world, which is English Premier League. Guys, follow me. So the first match of today, just like you know, as a good Chelsea fans, as a favorite Chelsea fans, as a faithful Chelsea fan, as the only number one recognized Chelsea fan, don't doubt it, just like I said it at the time. I'd like to start with my team. During the weekend, and before the weekend, I was first start with the FA Cup against Liverpool. Chelsea played a fantastic game, a fantastic football during the week against Liverpool by defeating Liverpool 2-0. It was a fantastic game. It was a game I never expected. And there's this one genius, this wonder boy, Billy Gilmour. I would want to lay more emphasis of that guy. I don't know where that guy comes out from. It's our feeders. I know it's our feeders team. But this guy is playing like pillow. The way he handled the ball. And this guy is very, if you look at the stature, this guy is very, very small in stature. Very tiny. But this guy is a wonderful footballer. When I look at that boy, the way he handled the football, the way he handled the pressure, the way he kicked the football, do you know what I see? Do you know what I see, guys? I see Pirlo. The way Pirlo used to play his football during those days. This guy is a wonder. He's a genius. He's fantastic. He's good. Billy Gilmour. And during the Liverpool game, he was the man of the match. Kudos to him. And Chelsea won the game by 2-0 by eliminating Liverpool. And elsewhere, Tottenham was out of the competition. They were defeated by Norwich by penalty shootout. It was a surprise to me. Surprise of the week. That was it. And elsewhere, Manchester United won Derby. The return of Wayne Rooney wasn't as expected. Wayne Rooney thought he's going to come back and shine. Wayne Rooney is forever a legend of Manchester United. He will forever be a legend. He's a legend and he will forever be a legend. He will forever be one of the most faithful, one of the most prolific striker Premier League ever produced. Wayne Rooney was good. He was fantastic. We cannot deny that. He's a very, very wonderful player. So, another game that I want us to dive deep is the weekend fixture where Liverpool defeated Bournemouth. But now Liverpool returned to their winning ways. Liverpool have come back to their winning ways. Remember, they lost to Watford last weekend. And during the week, they lost to Chelsea. So this weekend, they bounced back to their winning ways. And they won the game by 2-1. And the next game was Arsenal. Arsenal had a narrow win against West Ham. Though they won, Arteta is doing a fantastic job. I can tell you that since Arteta has become the coach of that team, something has changed a little bit. At least there is more organization in that team. They are playing a fantastic football. They are playing well without fear. They are handling the pressure. Arteta is really doing a fantastic job. But elsewhere, Guardiola, we don't know what's happening, but we'll go back to there. Burnley and Tottenham, they drew 1-1. I don't know what's happening to Tottenham. Even since the advent of Mourinho in that team, I thought things were going to change, but I know things are going to change. It's the first season, this first few months of his managerial in Tottenham, I know things is going to change. I trust Mourinho. Mourinho is a good coach, but I think he needs to bridge up his performance. His tactics are getting expired in the world of football. He needs to upgrade his performance. He needs to upgrade the tactics to handle modern day football in Premier League. Premier League has changed a lot of change, a lot of approach, tactics, formations has changed. So you need to brush up his formation in order to meet up with the expectation of his faithful fans. Elsewhere, Manchester Derby. Manchester Derby. Manchester United again produced a scintillating performance, defeating Manchester City 2-0. Is something I didn't expect. It's a shocker of the week, but it happened. We never expected it, but it happened, guys. That is football for you. Just like that is football for you. All these things happening, and you're like, what is happening? This is football. This is not the way we used to see it, but yes, it's happening. Manchester United defeated Manchester City. Just why I say that, since Mikel Arteta left Man City, something left. It is seen, it is shown that something has left that team. Manchester City losing the game 2-0 to Manchester United. It was a derby, a cracker, but the best won the day, which was Manchester United. Kudos to Manchester United. Nice game, nice play. Odion Ighalo, another future. Nice play, nice game. Anthony Martial, McTominay, another wonderful goal. Kudos to Manchester United. And elsewhere, Wolf and Brighton having a stalemate, which is 0-0. They had to share the points. Southampton and Newcastle winning the day away from home. That's a wonderful game. Crystal Palace and Watford losing to Crystal Palace is another game. Chelsea winning 4-0 against Everton is something I never expected. And I couldn't remember since the last time Chelsea played such wonderful game. I couldn't remember the last time such games happened. Chelsea winning 4-0. Everton, and they dominated the game, winning the game, the shot on target, everything. And Kepa, I must say, he had a wonderful performance. Nice of him, very good of him. And today there's gonna be a game between Leicester and Aston Villa. As you can see, the top of the table, we still have Liverpool. We all know that Liverpool already have the day. We already know that Liverpool already have the day. Nobody can draw them back. Liverpool with 82 points. Manchester City with 57 points. You all know that Liverpool has already won the Premier League 2019 to 2020. Liverpool is the winner. Nobody can take that away from them. Nobody. Even the Amadioa in your village. Even the Amadioa cannot cause them not to win. Cannot stop them from winning it. They've won. Manchester third with 54 points. Chelsea with 51 points. And we have Manchester United with 44 points. And we have Wolverhampton with another 41 points. Cracker. And we have the bottom table. We have Bournemouth, Aston Villa, and Norwich. Hoping for the relegation. We hope that they didn't go. We hope. So let's go to Bundesliga, guys. During the weekend, another fantastic game. We have Bayern Munich drawing 2-0 against FC Augsburg. And we have Mainz and Fortuna Düsseldorf drawing. And during the weekend, we also have Bayer Leverkusen and Frankfurt 4-0. And we have Hertha Berlin defeat and Werder Bremen 2-2. FC and Hertha Berlin Union 3-1. We have Schalke and Hoffenheim 1-1. We have Wolfsburg and Leipzig stalemate again 0-0. And we have Borussia Mönchengladbach and Borussia Dortmund. Borussia Dortmund winning 2-0 with another cracker. When we still have Bayern Munich on top of the table. Bayern Munich is still winning the league. They have with 55 points. This year has been something different for Bayern Munich, but still, they are still on top of the table. And we have Borussia Dortmund as second with 51 points. We have Leipzig as 50 points. We have Leverkusen 47. But I'm very, very surprised what happened to Borussia Mönchengladbach, because they were at the top of the team. Suddenly, things changed and they fall back to fifth. We don't know what's changed. Things change rapidly and they all fall back to bottom of the team. What an irony. What an irony to Borussia Mönchengladbach. Okay, and Schalke 04 is still maintaining the 6th point. And let us see who are at the bottom table. We have Fortuna Düsseldorf with 22 points. Werder Bremen down. And we have Paderborn at 18th position, which people that's going to fall off the relegation zone. We hope if things will change. Let's rush on to League One. We have Estin and Bordeaux drawing 1-1. Rennes 5-0 to Montpellier. Lille and Lyon. Lille defeating Lyon. That was the shock of the week, as we expect that. Lille winning the game. And we have Angers defeating Nantes. Dijon defeating Toulouse. Metz winning Nice winning Monaco. And Rennes defeating Brest. This was a match of the day. And PSG games was cancelled, was postponed. The game was postponed because of the weekend, because of the during the week the game they play against Lyon when they won the day. So that is another roundup of the Ligue 1. So before we know, let's dive deep to Spanish La Liga. There was a shocker during the week, what everybody never expected. But guys, I won't want to spoil the share of the cake. We have to be patient. That was the game between Madrid and Real Betis. But we'll get there, guys. It was a shocker of the week. Nobody ever expected it. Nobody wished it's going to happen. But it happened. Just like I said, it's football. It's the game of football. Anything is happening. Anything is possible. If you sit down quietly and enjoy the game and enjoy the fun, you know that this game is captivating. It gives emotion. Okay, the first game of the day is Osasuna Espanyol. It was a fantastic and interesting game, but Osasuna still win the game. I watched the game, Pamela, and I see the attacking styles and the dreams of the Espanyolians. But still, they lost the day. They play really good football, but the best won the day. And we have Valladolid and Atletico Bilbao. Atletico Bilbao winning the day. We have Levante Granada. Granada is playing exciting and beautiful football this year, but this season. But still, they have to have a stalemate, a share of the points with Levante. We have Villarreal and Leganes. Leganes winning the game was very, very surprising to me. But still, we have our brother. We have Chukwueze lying straight in with Villarreal. It was a fantastic game. And the cracker of the weekend was the game between Real Betis and Real Madrid. Real Madrid had the opportunity to remain at the top of the table, but they lost the game. They lost the game. It was a surprise and a shocking surprise to everyone during the week. That how could Real Madrid lose against Real Betis? But Real Betis, don't forget, they are another stubborn team. Remember, they almost defeated Barcelona. They are another cracker. They are another team to beat in that league. This season, Real Betis are playing a wonderful football. They are playing a fantastic football. If you don't know, go and watch their game. And since the arrival of Fekir, I don't know if you know Fekir. Fekir left from Lyon, moved from Lyon to Real Betis. Fekir was a player that went through medical, that failed medical with Liverpool. Fekir failed medical with Liverpool. That was why Liverpool never signed him during the summer. This game of football, anything is possible, anything is happening. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, subscribe to my channel to get the latest news, roundup, analysis, stats of every player, of every team. I will give it to you. You don't have to stress yourself. You don't have to bother yourself by going around. I will give it to you. I will throw it to you. I will bring it to you, to your doorstep. And Eibar losing to Mallorca. Atletico Madrid and Sevilla they have to settle down for 2-2. They share the points. And Barcelona defeated Real Sociedad to go back to the top of the table. Getafe and Celta Vigo are going to be the stalemate. And the top of the table is back with Barcelona going back to the top of the table. Nobody expects that. Nobody thinks it's going to happen, but it happens. That's the game of football. It's the game of football. It's football. Anything is possible. Anything happen. Now Barcelona is back on the top of the table with 65 points. Madrid has 49 points. What a shocker. And we have Sevilla 39 points. We have Getafe with 37 points. And those that will be going for relegation, they hope they won't go for relegation. We have Mallorca, Leganes, and Espanyol. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for staying with me. You have been the source of my inspiration. You have been helping me. Thank you for moving my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you for staying with me. I love you guys. I love you all.